I got this weight on my shoulders, slowing me down. I don't know how it came about. And while the world is spinning faster every night, I feel I'm stuck in reverse somehow. But it ain't no one's fault that I am stuck here. No one to blame this on, feeling so hopeless. I keep on pouring salt on my wounds when I shouldn't stay. I feel the pressure on me.
Hello all and welcome to my channel. My name is Marlena. Today's video I am going to be cleaning out and organizing our home command center area here. And then later on I'll be cleaning my microfiber couch. This command center is, we have just so much junk in here, honestly. You'll see it is crazy. I haven't cleaned this thing out in a good, probably since Christmas, because there's Christmas items up here. Pretty much everything that I take from the boys or just doesn't really have a good place to go, I'll just stick up in these cubbies just to get it out of the way. It's an area that they cannot reach, and so just a lot of random little items end up going up into these cubby areas. All of the cabinets around the command area are also quite disorganized, and I'm going to be organizing those as well. I didn't get to all of them, but I got to the main ones I needed to get clean. So today will just be some organizing and couch cleaning.
It's getting real hard to breathe. I gotta move on right now. I feel the pressure. Ooh, when did I get so blind? I didn't see this coming. Ooh, I should have heard faith calling, trying to pull me out. But how do I get out? Yeah, how do I get out? I feel the pressure on me, how it's itching under my own skin. It's getting real hard to breathe. I gotta move on right now. I feel the pressure.
I'm looking around, what's going on? One minute out there, the next you're gone. I thought we had it all together again, but you left me stranded, think I'm going insane. I'm thinking about it all the times we're having it
This
all.
cabinet up here has a lot of candy items. We started out with the summer potty training my 3-year-old twins, and so every time they went potty they would get a lollipop or a little sucker or just a little treat like that. And so this whole area I just kept buying little lollipops and little treats for them, so when they went potty they just had a little treat. But I just kept kind of shoving things up there like I typically do, so now I'll just get everything down and organize all of these candies.
But you left me stranded, tell me into your hands. I'm looking around, what's going on? One minute you're there, the next you're gone. I'm running out of chances, I want you back again. But you left me stranded, think I'm going insane. Yeah, I'm a fool. Yeah, what's in front of me. Straddled here in a strange delight. I wasn't right. Fool. I'm a fool. Yeah, 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 I'm a fool. Yeah, yeah, fool. Yeah, 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 I'm a fool. Yeah, 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 I'm a fool. I would give up all my money. I would trade all of my gold to spend a little time with you, honey, just to know that we'll grow old. If I could only see the future, or if I could travel in time.
Okay, so this drawer holds a lot of our charging cords and other just random little cords, and it was a huge mess. My filming was way off, and I was actually not even filming any of the things I was doing. So what I did is I just took twist ties and I took all the cords out of that drawer and rolled them up and put the twist ties on them. But unfortunately, you couldn't see me doing any of that because of my camera angle. So that's what I did for that drawer.
If I could only find a way, if I could get some kind of tell.
Okay, so this is obviously just a bunch of pens and other miscellaneous office supplies with a bunch of junk mixed in. And so this sounds kind of crazy, but I am going to try all of these pens and markers just to make sure they all work before I clean out, or before I keep them in. And then I'll just get rid of all these papers, all this other random miscellaneous things, and just get this drawer nice and organized.
With me. Tell me what you feel like. Tell me, is it real love? Tell me, do you feel the same? Tell me what you feel like. Do you feel what I feel? Is this love a waiting game? Tell me what you feel like. Tell me, is it real love? Tell me, do you feel the same? Tell me what you feel like. Do you feel what I feel? Is this love a waiting game? Tell me what you feel like. Tell me, is it real love? Tell me, do you feel the same? Tell me what you feel like. Do you feel what I feel? Is this love a waiting game? Tell me what you feel like. Tell me, is it real love? Tell me, do you feel the same? Tell me what you feel like. Do you feel what I feel? Is this love a waiting game? Tell me what you feel like. Tell me, is it real love? Tell me, do you feel the same? Tell me what you feel like. Do you feel what I feel? Is this love a waiting game?
So it is later that night, the boys are asleep, and I am going to clean my microfiber couch. As you can see, it is disgusting. I don't really know what's been going on. There's been a lot of drooling and a lot of spills that have been happening lately. And it has just gotten a little out of control. When my twins were young and would drink on the couch, I had blankets on this thing all over. And now with my 1-year-old, I don't know, I guess I'm just not as careful as I used to be. And so there are just tons of little spills from sippy cups and water spills and some milk and everything else on this couch. So now that everyone is asleep, I'm going to clean it. I am going to take all of the cushions, the covers off the cushions, and I'm going to wash those in the washing machine. I was looking for a tag to see if it had any instructions, and it didn't. So that's just what I'm going to do. And then I will also clean the sides of the couch and spot clean the big cushions. I'm going to just use a bucket with some water and Pine Sol and go over it with a scrubby from the Dollar Tree and a microfiber cleaning cloth, and I'll get it all nice and clean that way.
And I'm gonna run till the river runs dry. Shake me, you can try and break me, but babe, you got it wrong. I won't play along, 'cause I will rise, you can't hold me down. Watch me unfold, I'll keep it strong. And I won't hide, I will live it loud. Through highs and the lows, I won't let go. Undeniable.
the next morning and I got the couch cushion covers out of the dryer, and they all came out really well. I was really excited and happy with that. So no problems with washing and drying these. And then the sides of the couch, once they dried, you know, when you clean things, they are darker than the actual fabric, so you never really know, I feel like, how it's actually going to look when it's all nice and dry. But it came out really well. There are some sponge marks on there, just some lines, but they look really so much better. The couch looks 100% better than it did when I started, so I'm very happy with that. But anyways, this is the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed it and that I was able to give you a little bit of cleaning motivation. I'll see you next time. Thanks, bye.
We had it all. How could you let us fall? I've been running from myself like I'm somebody else. Kinda left me alone. All the love is gone. Now I'm coming around. Got a stake in the ground. Gonna stick it to you. I'm gonna let you go. Let you go. Let you go. Let you go. I'm gonna stick it to you. Let you go. Let you go. Let you go. I'm gonna stick it to you.